Hello everyone, this is Mohan Raja. Today, last video I have shown you how to create your domain name and how to buy your domain. And this video is all about how to buy the hosting. Hosting is nothing but after you bought the domain. In last video I have showed how to buy the domain name. After getting the domain name, you need to host your website. For example, hosting is nothing but creating the web page. Using codings and without codings you can create the websites. For example, this is the web page. You need to design this web page using WordPress. I am using the WordPress tool to create this web page. This is the domain name. In last video I told you how to buy the domain name. Using domain name, you already buy the domain name using GoDaddy. Now you're going to do a creation of a web page. This is the web page using coding, and without coding we can do a web page. Without coding I am going to use the WordPress tool. WordPress is nothing but one tool. It is one software or one tool that used for to design the web page. This is the WordPress. I am going to buy the WordPress in the GoDaddy domain. So you go to hosting and click the hosting. It's a paid one. You need to pay for hosting. I'm going to choose the WordPress, managed WordPress. Go for hosting. Click here. Buy the basic. Click the basic. Add to cart. Make it for 1 month. It's a payment of 500. I need to pay 500 for 1 month. This is absolutely for hosting. You need to buy to create the web page. There is a number of portal where you can create your web page using free of cost, but it's not going to be secure, and it's not going to be for long term period. It's always be like a temporary period. But if you have a you need to create a professional way and to have maintain a good web page. Go for WordPress. It's going to give you a good web page creation. So buy this way. Make a payment and buy the web page. In this way you make the payment. After making the payment, go to my products, and it shows in this way basic managed WordPress. I also included SSL certificate, SSL option. SSL, I make a separate video what is SSL. Today I am just showing how to enter into the WordPress. After you buy the WordPress, just go to the WordPress and insert your domain name. Actually, while opening the WordPress, manage WordPress, it asks what. It will automatically bring here. Now and this is my website which I created using WordPress, and here you can see the edit your website. Go to customization. After you bought the domain WordPress, you need to buy the WordPress. After you bought, you need to again go to my product and see your WordPress as listed in your product list. Make a billing and go and click the manage WordPress. Go and click the manage WordPress. Then it automatically bring to the portal, where in that portal you need to insert your domain name which you already bought. Okay, after inserting your domain name, it will ask you to edit in this way it will appear. Edit your website designer, then go to customize website. It redirect to the WordPress login. Now you successfully enter into the WordPress, and this is how the WordPress login. After you entering into WordPress, this is how it will be there. This I already created my web page. So for new user, you just go to and this is how the WordPress looks like, and this is my profile, and here you need to choose your theme. Theme is nothing but how the website, how your website want to looks like. For example, I'm showing this is one theme where you can edit, and you can make edit work using your theme. For example, you choose the themes in appearance. You can choose your theme, search here which theme you are interested. I choose an Blossom Coach theme, and using this theme I have edited my website. You can also choose your own theme for what business you are doing. You can choose your type of business, and go and Google it, which theme is suitable for your business. Search if you are doing some consultancy, go and search consultancy theme in WordPress. In that way you can choose your theme name and just enter it here. For example, I chosen Blossom Coach. It's going to show me the result. I already, it's in page. So after getting this theme, it will ask the install option. Just go and install it. Then go to dashboard, and then install the Elementor. Plugins, go to plugins, search for Elementor. Here you need to go and search Elementor. Go to plugins, add new. Here you need to write Elementor. This is the Elementor where you need to update, install now. Install the Elementor. This is for creating. After installing this one, you will easily access or edit your website using the Elementor. So most probably I prefer this one for installation, and also theme is up to you, and this is it's not a compulsion, but if you want to edit it in a easy manner, go for Elementor website builder. This one is available in plugins, and go to plugins and give a add new, then give it a search bar, write Elementor, and you will get it. After getting Elementor, I'll show you what is Elementor, and this is this for now. Go to dashboard. You have installed the theme, and also you got the Elementor. Now you go into dashboard. In dashboard, in manage WordPress, go to in dashboard, and give customize your site. Okay, and it will appears like this way. The theme work will appear. Whatever theme you selected, the theme will appear, and there is an option called editor. You can see here editor. Click this menu and edit option. It will appears in many area. Whatever things you need to edit, you can choose by this option, and also you can edit using Elementor once. You can also go to post and click add new post and edit with Elementor. It will show. It will also show the. You can also edit in this way. These are the options I'm showing to how to edit your web page. I think you have got some idea how to edit your web page using WordPress. In next video, I will show you how to edit your web page one by one. This is this topic is about how to buy your WordPress and how WordPress will work and how the theme what are the themes, how can you select your themes, and how to install Elementor, and using Elementor and WordPress. Using WordPress, how you can edit your web page. I also explained in this video. To edit your web page step by step, I will make the next video how to edit your web page using WordPress. Okay, in next video you can see how to edit your web page. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I think this video is more helpful for future website design. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.